Hello, welcome. Another episode number 2 of Implicit Differentiation. In the episode 1, we delve into the steps and the concept of implicit differentiation. Let's apply that. We have to find the derivative of x cubed plus y cubed equals to xy. You can see here that y is not defined explicitly in terms of what? X. So let's see how we do that. Remember, the first rule says we are to differentiate each of the terms separately. So we are going to differentiate the x, all of them differentiated with respect to what? X. So here I have this differentiation. It comes forward. So I'll be having 3x. We subtract 1 from here, give you square. Right? Then we have plus. 3 come forward to give you 3 y squared, because 3 minus 1 is 2. Then since we are differentiating y with respect to x, we introduce dy dx equals to. Now you can see that this is a product. X is multiplying the y, so we treat it as a product rule. Differentiate one, hold the other, then hold the one we hold first, then differentiate the second one. But I'll take it from here. Hold the x. So when I hold x is here, I will not touch it. Then I will differentiate y. If we differentiate y, it gives you 1. So 1 times this. Then we introduce dy dx plus. You hold the y and touch, then differentiate the x. And if you differentiate x, you still get 1. So that 1 will also multiply. So this is a product rule because they are multiplied. Alright. The second step is to group all the dy dx terms to the left. So let's maintain our 3y squared dy dx, bringing in this as minus x dy dx equals to, we are left with y there. We transpose this, become negative 3x squared. The dy dx are on the left, but still not single. So we factorize them out, meaning dy dx outside the bracket, divide this by dy dx, you will be left with 3y squared. When you divide here, minus x as the only coefficient here, still equals to y minus 3x squared. So now, for us to keep the dy dx alone, we divide by the coefficient here. Meaning my dy dx will be equals to the term at the right divided by the coefficient here, which is 3y squared minus x. There is no other common factor between the numerator and the denominator. So this becomes the final answer. If you were to differentiate this, the dy dx will give us this. I'm sure you get the concept. Alright. Like, share, and comment. Leave your comment. If you can't write anything, just write I understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.